The international pressure, as you know, Budour, is growing on Israel to try to alleviate this hunger crisis in Gaza. Both Portugal and Canada are now joining France and Britain in announcing plans to recognize formally a Palestinian state in September when the United Nations General Assembly convenes. Do you believe this will actually motivate Israel to do more to help the people in Gaza?
Well, if you may allow me, this is not a hunger crisis. This is the result of 20 months of relentless bombardment, decimation of Gaza's entire health sector, infliction of bodily and mental harm on Palestinian women, men, and children. And this is not simply a byproduct of the war. This is an intended, foreseen, and foreseeable result of Israel's military onslaught on Gaza that has resulted in what we are seeing. Genocide continues in Gaza, the killings continue, the pressure, yes, we welcome all kinds of pressure, especially the pressure on Israel to lift its restrictions on aid, but this is not enough.
Very quickly, does Amnesty International still condemn Hamas?
Amnesty International condemns any violations of international law, regardless of who commits it, including the taking of hostages, as civilian as hostages, including Hamas violations against Palestinians in Gaza, including the arbitrary detentions carried out by Israel.
We know that Amnesty International unequivocally condemned the October 7th Hamas terror attack that started this current war, and your group is also now accusing Israel of committing genocide in Gaza.
There is only this clear, incontestable fact that Israel is committing genocide against Palestinians in Gaza, and we cannot allow this to continue happening. We have to take a stance. Either we are against genocide or we continue to allow Israel to violate international law and to dehumanize and destroy Palestinian civilians.
Budour Hassan from Amnesty International, thanks very much for joining us.